Welcome to a world where streaming your favorite shows and movies should be as easy as clicking a button. However, sometimes, a pesky error code can interrupt your Netflix binge. Today we're tackling the Netflix error code S7059-1411, a common issue for Safari users on Apple MacBooks. This error code is usually a result of corrupt cookies or conflicting browser extensions, especially ad blockers. It's a nuisance that disrupts your streaming experience, but don't worry, there are simple ways to resolve it. First, try the classic tech solution: restarting your device. After the restart, ensure your device is properly connected to the internet and check for any pending updates for your browser. Keeping your browser updated is crucial to avoid such errors. Next, scrutinize your browser extensions. If you have an ad blocker extension enabled, it might be the culprit. Try disabling it and attempt to stream Netflix again. If the error persists, disable all browser extensions and try again. If you're still encountering the error, it's time to clear the Netflix cookies. This can be done by launching your browser and typing into the URL bar. Still seeing that error message? Then, give emptying the cache from your Safari's Develop tab a shot. Go to the Safari drop-down menu, select Preferences, choose the Advanced tab, and select the option Show Develop Menu in Menu Bar. Then, go back to the Safari main menu, choose the Develop tab, and select Empty Cache. In the rare case that the error code is still appearing, we recommend using an alternate browser. If Safari is your preferred browser, and you wish to continue using Netflix from Safari, contact the Netflix support team and report the issue. To recap, Netflix error code S7059-1411 is a common issue mainly for Safari users on Apple MacBooks, usually caused by corrupt cookies or conflicting browser extensions. The solutions include restarting your device, checking for browser updates, disabling browser extensions, clearing Netflix cookies, emptying the cache from Safari's Develop tab, or trying another browser. Remember, you're not alone in this. Reach out to Netflix's support team if you're still encountering this error. Now get back to that series you've been dying to watch. Happy streaming! If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe, and for more tech updates, visit Quaries.com.